Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. We're gonna heat things up. Make sure to look into our Instagram and subscribe and watch our videos. Thank you.
Camaro Z28. The engine is bored 40 over. It's a 73 Camaro block, not the original, but it's period correct. I'm running an Edelbrock 488 by 510 lift street cam.
Nice.
The car has a Pikes dual custom 3-inch exhaust. Patriot headers, aluminum, bead blasted, ceramic coated on the outside, 6-7 coats, ceramic coated on the inside. Edelbrock Performer, RPM intake, air gap, air max, chrome, and Durashine intake. The car's a rear factory dual gate car.
Yeah.
It does about 130 miles an hour with the turbo 350 in there. Stock 342 rear end. I'm running an Auburn Deere Pro Series limited slip differential in it. MSD 6AL2 ignition with power pack, full ignition lights, everything. Distributor. I'm trying to think what else. Optimal battery, top of the line gel cell, custom model sound, stereo with install bay Bluetooth adapter receiver on it. I also have the retro sound dual voice coil speakers because they put out more watts and power than the custom model sounds. I have those in the original monophonic spots, hence the dual voice for simulated stereo surround stereo sound. So
What's the mileage?
the mileage now I want to say is around 113,000. The engine's just been rebuilt last year at Rocket and Automotive, and that's about it. I mean,
have you won any awards?
Yes, I have over 300 awards since my first one in 1998, as far as trophies. The majority of them, not brag, have been first place. I have like 5-6 best in shows.
You should brag about that.
Yeah, I know. Or top whatever, such as top 40, top 50, top 100. I have a lot of those. Then secondly, I guess I would have second place and third place and almost none. Very few where I don't win an award.
What was the horsepower on this?
It's over 400.
Over 400?
At least 400,
yeah. It's a nice car.
Thanks.
Yeah, she's a beauty.
Thanks for watching, but we want to know your comments. Do you like buckle seats or bench seats?